Hello there! I'm Stacy and I'm on a quest to learn the skills that I need in order to custom make my entire wardrobe. Right now I'm working on bras. It's been a thing that's been in the back of my head for a really long time that I should do because there've never been that many options for me as far as what's available in my size. So I thought it was about time that I start learning to make my own. So not only do I want to make my own bras, but I would like to make vintage inspired ones. I happen to like the slightly pointier aesthetic of the 40s through the 60s. Not necessarily as pointy as a bullet bra, but kind of like not the round melon shape that are what we have today. So the class I'm taking online is by Beverly Johnson. It's bra construction and fit. It's I'm using her pattern, Pinup Girls Classic, and this is a modern bra, and what I actually want is a vintage inspired bra. And so I've had a little bit of self-doubt that I'm going in the right direction. So I've spent a bunch of my time searching the internet for any kind of instruction or clues that I'm going in the right direction, because my idea was that I should learn how to make a bra and learn how to make a modern bra and then go back and learn how to adjust the pattern in order to be the style that I want. So last night I was reading Beverly Johnson's blog, and I was just going through so many different blog posts, and in there she had a paragraph that literally answered my question. She basically said that her Pinup Girl Classic pattern was a basic pattern, and that once you get that well fitting, you can use that as a sloper to then make any style that you want. So that's pretty exciting, because I feel like I just got confirmation that I am walking down the correct path, or a path that actually leads to where I want to go. And so today I'm actually hoping to get another mock-up assembled, at least mostly assembled. I don't know how long it's going to take me, because I still have to watch a little bit of the class and then sew, and then watch a little bit of the class and sew. But the great thing is that the more of these bras that I make, the better I get at making bras. So each one is practice. So hopefully by the time I figure out the fitting and by the time I figure out how to get it to be the style that I want, I'll be really good at making bras at that point. Although I think at this point I would settle for a mediocre bra that fits at least. So like this next version that I'm going to work on today, I've done some alterations to the band. I think the cup might still need some work, but you kind of have to do an order of operations when you alter them. So the alterations that I make to the band could possibly solve the cup fitting issues. So I kind of can't do both at once. I kind of need to do one, see how it turns out, and then do the next one. I better get going on putting together my next version of my mock-up, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.